Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English podcast.
Hi, friends. Today, we talk about future plans and what we want to do.
Yes, we learn simple English for beginners and practice daily conversation.
Remember, if you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.
Great. Let's start slowly and listen carefully.
First word is plan. A plan is what you want to do in the future.
For example, my plan is to travel next month.
Next word is goal. A goal is something important you want to achieve.
I have a goal to learn English well.
Good job. Another word is schedule. Schedule is the time for your activities.
I have a busy schedule this week.
Next word is appointment. Appointment is a meeting with someone.
I have an appointment with my teacher tomorrow.
Plan ahead means think about your plans before.
I plan ahead to finish my homework early.
Ready? Now listen to a short conversation.
Hi, Leo. What are your plans for the weekend?
Hi, I want to visit my friend and go to the park.
Great. I plan to watch a movie and read a book.
What about next month?
My plan is to travel to the mountains.
Awesome. I have a goal to learn new recipes.
Repeat after me. My plan is to travel to the mountains.
I have a goal to learn new recipes.
Good job. Now, conversation about work plans.
My schedule is busy this week.
I have an appointment with my manager on Friday.
Repeat after me. My schedule is busy this week.
I have an appointment with my manager on Friday.
Great. Now conversation about friends.
My friends plan a picnic on Saturday.
I plan to join them after work.
We can go together.
Good idea. Let's plan ahead.
Repeat after me. We can go together.
Let's plan ahead.
Nice job. Now, conversation about shopping plans.
I plan to buy new clothes.
I also want to go to the store.
Repeat after me. I plan to buy new clothes.
I also want to go to the store.
Good. Now conversation about holiday plans.
I want to visit my family during the holidays.
I plan to travel to the beach.
Repeat after me. I want to visit my family.
I plan to travel to the beach.
Great. Now, conversation about learning new skills.
My goal is to learn painting.
I plan to practice English every day.
Repeat after me. My goal is to learn painting.
I plan to practice English every day.
Good job. Now conversation about making decisions.
Should I start a new hobby?
Yes, it will be fun and helpful.
Repeat after me. Should I start a new hobby?
Yes, it will be fun and helpful.
Nice job. Now, conversation about asking for advice.
What should I do this weekend?
Plan something you enjoy.
Repeat after me. Plan something you enjoy.
Good job. Now, conversation about daily routines.
I plan to wake up early every morning.
I want to exercise and eat breakfast.
Repeat after me. I plan to wake up early every morning.
I want to exercise and eat breakfast.
Great job. Now conversation about learning new languages.
My goal is to learn Spanish.
I plan to practice French.
Repeat after me. My goal is to learn Spanish.
I plan to practice French.
Good. Now conversation about travel plans.
My plan is to visit Paris next summer.
I want to go to Japan.
My plan is to visit Paris next summer.
I want to go to Japan.
Great job. Now conversation about weekend fun.
What are your plans for Saturday?
I plan to watch a movie with friends.
I want to cook a new recipe.
Repeat after me. I plan to watch a movie with friends.
I want to cook a new recipe.
Good job. Now conversation about unexpected changes.
My plans changed because of the weather.
I need to adjust my schedule.
My plans changed because of the weather.
I need to adjust my schedule.
Great. Now conversation about evening plans.
I plan to read a book after dinner.
I want to relax and listen to music.
Repeat after me. I plan to read a book after dinner.
I want to relax and listen to music.
Good job. Now review new words and phrases.
Plan, goal, schedule, appointment, plan ahead, hobby, travel, family, friends, learn, practice, morning, exercise, breakfast, language, movie, recipe, change, adjust, relax, music.
You can use these words every day to talk about your future plans.
Let's do a short role play. Imagine you meet a friend in the office.
Hi, how are you? What are your plans for next week?
I am fine, thank you. My plan is to visit my grandparents.
That sounds nice. I plan to join a cooking class.
We can meet after class and practice English together.
Repeat after me. We can meet after class.
And practice English together.
Good job. Now think about your future plans.
Say your plans in English.
Great job, everyone. Tell us in the comments, what is your first plan for next week?
Thank you for learning English with us. Remember, practice every day and you will improve.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.